Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Kamika Ekadashi is celebrated during Krishna Paksha of Shravan month. Kamika Ekadashi is considered to be as auspicious as conducting Ashwamedha Yagya. If someone worships Lord Vishnu with tulsi leaves on the day of Kamika Ekadashi, the person gets free from Pitru dosha. Kamika Ekadashi helps to attain salvation. If a person observes fast on the day of Kamika Ekadashi, he or she gets free from the sins. The Kamika Ekadashi fulfills the desires of the devotees. An interesting story depicts the glory of Kamika Ekadashi. A landlord once he had a fight with a Brahmin and accidentally landlord killed him. Then he repented and wanted to be a part of his last rites. But the villagers refused his request. Later, he approached a sage to get rid of this sin that he had acquired by killing a Brahmin. The sage advised him to keep a fast and worship Lord Vishnu on Ekadashi. That night, Lord appeared in his dream and relieved him of his sins. The importance of Kamika Ekadashi was narrated by Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe, to his son sage Narada. The sacred day even eradicates the sin of killing a Brahmin. He also told him that the one who performs Ekadashi Vrat or at least listens to the glory of Kamika Ekadashi attains Vaikuntha. And the blessings achieved by such a devotee who worships Lord Vishnu exclusively are far greater than those achieved by one who takes a sacred bath in the Ganges at Kashi or at Pushkara, which is the only holy place on the planet. Lord Krishna himself narrated this story to King Yudhishthira. Devotees take a bath early in the morning and then pray to Lord Vishnu. Panchamrit Abhishek is offered to Lord Vishnu and worshipped with colorful flowers, tulsi leaves, fruits, milk, etc. Devotees fast on this day, donate lamps, clothes, and money to Brahmins. Devotees break their fast on Dwadashi, which is the next day of the Ekadashi. Devotees worshipping Lord Vishnu on Kamika Ekadashi are blessed with prosperity and health. Let's observe this Ekadashi fast with sincere devotion and trust with our only prime goal to reach His supreme award. Hare Krishna.